Sorry if it's a little shaky, but I'm literally holding my phone lens up to the target from here onto my rangefinder. 50.2 yards. As you can see, there's it without the rangefinder. We'll walk down here. Got 3 arrows stuck in her down here. 2 field points, 1 Magnus Single Bevel Buzzcut, 125 grain. Nice quiet morning out here at the range. Snow's almost gone. Hopefully it stays gone. Sick of that shit this year. But I'm quite sure a lot of guys will say it wasn't actually 50 yards. That's fine. Your opinion's your opinion. I don't really care about it. So 3 arrow group at 50 yards. Dropped my arm on that guy a little bit. Knew that right from the get-go. Field point. 2 good shots there. They fucking broke perfectly. Another field point. See if you, yep. Poking out the back. 125 grain Magnus Single Bevel Buzzcut. Freaking chewing my target up. Yeah. There she is, guys. Turkey season's fast approaching. Getting this set up fine-tuned. Absolutely loving these heads. These arrows. Black Eagle X Impact. 250 spine. Can't complain about those results, man. Why would you shoot a mechanical when you can get a fixed blade to fly like that, huh? Catch you later.